host, Zombie Alert with these ones reading quickly, and I just want to ask for fastest to get this video started. How are my wonderful, benevolent acolytes doing out there in the world? Yes. How you guys doing? How you guys doing today? So, I have the last video for this series ending with this brand right here called Archwares Multi Keys Acro mic keys plug and play. Okay, so again, like the other videos, I will be posting everything and anything about the products that I am opening down below in the description box. So yeah, I got this one off of Amazon as well, and we are going to I have yet to introduce Archie to everybody on social medias, so let me just put him right here. Okay, here Archie. Okay. So we're gonna be opening this one, and this one's the last of this series. I am going to be starting opening up the personal headphones that I'm going to be using and the gaming headsets that I'm going to be using and or returning, because so far all the keyboards that I got I like so far, which is cool. So this one right here is the last one, and again, I am not a professional unboxing individual. I am just reviewing the products that I am using, and if I happen to forget to say anything about the products, I will be putting it in the description also down below. So yeah, we're gonna open up this one and we're gonna see. And fun fact, Archie nurses, which is pretty cool. I've had him about already 3 weeks, and here we go with the unboxing. And again, I don't know what I got. Ooh, it's this one. Okay, so this one is like 2 of the ones I already have, so this would be the 3rd one that's set up similar to this. It does have the key numbers right here that I like. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love it. It's supposed to match my aesthetic of the room, and with this one, it is making it pop. And we got the manual, which is basically the same stuff that we've been going over. And oh, we got some loose parts here. Ooh, so we're gonna put the batteries in. This one. This one goes into, so it is very similar to that one from the Super BBO. Okay. On. Take out the little device. Okay. Archie. Okay, it got brownie points because it has the decline. And again, this one's like the other one. You could put the little port in there. Why is this so bright? Oh. Okay. I think you can see that better. Yeah, this is a better tone going on right now. But yeah, this is it. And I am going to be testing this one out as well. So Archie, I'm sorry, baby, but you're gonna have to play over there. And we're going to get right into the typing. Okay. I would have to give, I'm not too aesthetic with the color with the orange, but I think I could live with that. As far as the mouse going, again, I do enjoy that, and I will probably be getting used to the divot in the inside of the keys because there are divots in there. And I would give this keyboard a 5 out of a 10 just because I'm not so I mean, honestly, I only got it because of the color. Now, for anything, if I still have the window of returning it, I would, but if not, I'm not too upset about it just because yellow does make me happy. That's why my wall is yellow. And I will be adding this one to my wall right now, and I will be showing you guys the finished product of the keyboards that I got, and I will probably let you know the rating as well, just because I feel like I didn't really incorporate that. And this is the last of the series of unboxing the keyboards. All I need to do is find a way to mount the little mouses next to the keyboards, but I think I could figure it out. I'm pretty savvy with figuring things out. The mounts that I'm using actually are like do-it-yourself pretty much. It's not really do-it-yourself, but I had to add a spice to it to make it doable for myself. There's a lot of keyboard holders online and they're just like not the business, plus they're expensive as fuck. This cost me less than $2, so that's a win in itself, which I like, because who doesn't like saving on things that are going to be holding your product or your keyboards or whatever. I mean, I'm utilizing it to hold my headsets and I'm utilizing it to hold my keyboards. So yeah, if you guys like these videos and you guys want me to review other types of things, go for it. I don't mind. As far as this one, again, it's a 5 out of a 10. So again, I hope you guys liked that video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and then comment down below if there's any other things that would you guys want me to unbox. Again, like I said, I am not a professional. I'm not gonna be like, oh damn, I know what I'm doing, because I don't, and I'm getting used to it. I'm trying to find where my calling is, guys, because at the end of the day, I'm a jack of all trades. All right. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.